Hey now, Chicago, the Windy City. We all know that references local politics, like Blago selling seats and mayors doing time. I'm one of many blue collars, laboring legally in the kitchen. Yummy turkey stew, the bird that shows up in November and disappears faster than no war campaign promises. I'm chef owner Joey Morelli, trained in Chicago, shotgunning beers before service and finishing the night with white lines and dry storage. But this stew, this recipe never betrays me. I add garlic and poblano to my carrot, celery, onion, nair pot. That's my holy trinity. Heavy cream, bone broth, wine, chili flakes, and herbs. That's my stew base that build a pyramid of flavors. Don't let your stewed veggie get so soft they'd qualify for Highland Park City Council. And yeah, Chicago's a sanctuary city, and yeah, everybody's welcome, except bland food. Deport that shit immediately. This stew's got more structure than Brandon Johnson's City Hall. Chicago mayors don't retire, they do time. Except King Daley. Let your stew simmer low and slow, like traffic on the Dan Ryan, under construction since '74. Because in Chicago, y'all know things are more crooked than Gotham. Joey's Turkey Stew. Trust my process. I ain't no fucking Windy City politician.